overreaching software patents. There are lots of people out there who want to help you do that, so just go for it.
Paul? So any open thing in which you might innovate requires your participation and your acknowledgement of people who are innovators and creators. One of the things that we found out with Creative Commons licenses is, you have several choices of things you can, rights you can insert as Creative Commons. You can insert whether you allow people to use it for profit or not for profit, or restricted not for profit works. You can decide whether they can change or make derivative works. You can decide if they change and make derivative works as if it should remain under the same license. And for a while, you could decide whether it required attribution to the creator, you as a creator or not. People were all over the place on the first three, but on the last one, everybody wanted attribution for their work. No one chose to make their work anonymous, ever. So the story in that is that you should honor the creators in some way. And it doesn't have to be monetarily. It does mean that when you take something from Flickr or from other things that are in open source culture, how many people saw Dana Boyd's talk? Did you notice that every one of her images was from Flickr and every one was attributed to the Flickr ID? Exemplary behavior within the open source ecosystem. The ideas that we started with in software, those ideas of sharing, are many, many other places, enabled by Creative Commons licenses, enabled by other licenses, the idea that things funded by the government should be more available as in property and in big data that we've talked about here. All of those are related and they're tied pretty much to the same thing, some sort of social contract that recognizes in some way innovators and creators, yet allows other people to innovate and create as well.